Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's MRCs. Today this is brief. So our subject today is on protecting ourselves and our workbooks. Why do we need to do that? Like for example, if you are to share a document like to someone, and the document may be tampered with, the first thing you can do is you can protect the cell, and that's what we are going to be doing today. You can protect the workbook and the worksheet. So for the worksheet, you can come here, then you come here, then you this is it. So what you can do, you can tick all the items you feel like you want to protect. I usually prefer protecting most of these. Then I can put in a password. Maybe I can use MRCs. Okay, so just have to re-enter the same password and we are good to go. I hope it's the one. No, it's not. So I can use this, then I think is yeah. So once it goes through, and I've protected the worksheet, but that doesn't prevent someone from deleting the work. I've protected the contents in the worksheet, like no one can tamper with this. So you see that even if I try to, I can't. It is so the next thing, but that doesn't stop someone from deleting the worksheet. So we can come here. Let me see. Okay, here. Got it. Then I can come. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, it's here. So under review, you can come and but this is unprotect the worksheet. But you can also protect the workbook. I always prefer to use the same password. It's better for purposes of not forgetting. Yeah. So for example, if someone tries, you see, now you'll notice that the delete part, all these are enabled. So someone is only forced to view the document. We usually do this. I think I'll try to demonstrate it in our further videos, where you have one worksheet which depends on a particular worksheet. Someone has to fill it in and it feeds the data to this protected worksheet. Usually these are graphs, and so to prevent the distortion of data or tampering with the data, we usually prefer that. Okay. So you lock that particular worksheet such that no one can has access to it. Then the other part is on how to unprotect. You can just you can just come back. You can just come back on the review part of it. We can start with this one and protect this. Okay. You just put in the same password, then you press OK. Then we can also unprotect. Now This is the worksheet. That means now we can make some changes. You see, it's now possible. You can make some changes, so it's possible. You can still protect the workbook, but if you don't, you just have to input the same password, and that's it. It's more of like putting a password on your worksheet and the workbook. The workbook is the whole document, the whole of this. This is the workbook. Then these are the in the workbook we have the worksheets. As you see, sheet one, sheet two. Basically, that is it for now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it out and bless someone. Have a nice day. Thank you.